जहां भी ये देखते हैं, ये सोचते हैं कि भाई भय कैसे पैदा करें, माइनॉरिटीज को डराते हैं। नहीं, कांग्रेस नहीं डरती आपसे, आप कांग्रेस से डरते हो। हिंसा, नफरत माइनॉरिटीज के खिलाफ, मुसलमानों के खिलाफ, सिखों के खिलाफ, क्रिश्चियंस के खिलाफ। और माइनॉरिटीज ने क्या किया? माइनॉरिटीज ने क्या किया? हर स्फीयर में हिंदुस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, नाम रोशन करते हैं। पत्थर जैसे हिंदुस्तान के साथ एक साथ खड़े हैं, देशभक्त हैं। और आपने सारे के सारे माइनॉरिटीज पर आक्रमण किया, उनके खिलाफ हिंसा, नफरत फैलाई।
On July 1st, opposition leader Rahul Gandhi criticized the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, in the Lok Sabha, claiming those who call themselves Hindus engage in violence and hate continuously. This statement provoked significant protests from members of the Treasury benches. Prime Minister Narendra Modi responded, emphasizing that calling the entire Hindu society violent is a serious accusation. Gandhi clarified that his remarks were aimed at the BJP, not the entire Hindu community. He stated that the BJP, the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, that is RSS, or Modi, do not represent all Hindus. The Congress leader displayed a picture of Lord Shiva, highlighting his message of fearlessness and non-violence. He also referred to teachings from various religions to support his point. All religions and our great men advocate non-violence and fearlessness, but those who identify as Hindus speak only of violence, hatred, and falsehood. You are not Hindus, Gandhi remarked. Home Minister Amit Shah demanded an apology from Gandhi to the House and the country for offending millions of Hindus. Shah countered Gandhi's comments by referencing the emergency and the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, asserting that Gandhi had no right to speak about non-violence given the Congress Party's history of spreading terror. Gandhi stressed that all religions, including Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, emphasize courage and fearlessness. He accused the BJP of systematically attacking the Constitution and the fundamental idea of India, noting that millions of people resist the ruling party's ideas. I was attacked on Prime Minister Modi's order. There were over 20 cases against me. My house was taken away and I was interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate for 55 hours, Gandhi said. Despite these challenges, he expressed pride in the collective effort to protect the Constitution. It feels good that BJP members are now echoing Jai Samvidhan after me, he added. Gandhi also expressed his satisfaction with being in the opposition. I am happy and proud to be in the opposition. For us, truth is more important than power, he stated. During his first speech as the leader of opposition, Gandhi held up a picture of Lord Shiva, prompting Speaker Om Birla to remind him that displaying placards in the House is against the rules. Gandhi reiterated that all religions, including Hinduism, Islam, and Sikhism, stress the importance of courage and fearlessness.
It is a symbol of non-violence, and that is why it is placed in a place where Shiva cannot reach it with his right hand. If it was a symbol of violence, it would have been held in his right hand like this. It is a symbol of non-violence. That is why it is placed behind his left shoulder. When we fought the BJP, we were not violent. When we defended the truth, there was not an ounce of violence in us. Now, there is a third idea, and a very powerful idea that emerges from the idea of truth, courage, and non-violence. And that idea, of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress Party. Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important that you make others not scared, that you help others become fearless, that you help others become non-violent. There's another thing I noticed, that it is not just one religion that talks about courage. In fact, all our religions talk about courage. मतलब इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है कि डरना नहीं है, और जब इस्लाम में दुआ मांगी जाती है तो दोनों हाथ से, दाएं हाथ से अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देता है। सर, गुरु नानक जी के चित्र में भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा। गुरु नानक जी भी कहते हैं कि डरो मत, डराओ मत। जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज देखिए, उसमें भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा। जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज में भी अभय मुद्रा, डरो मत, डराओ मत। उसके बाद बुद्ध भगवान, अभय मुद्रा। डरो मत, डराओ मत, अहिंसा। मतलब, और अंत में महावीर, डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा। मतलब हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में 3 फाउंडेशनल आइडियाज हैं। शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत, डराओ मत, अभय मुद्रा दिखाते हैं, अहिंसा की बात करते हैं, त्रिशूल को जमीन में गाड़ देते हैं। और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत।